Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres after the snowstorm. Wow. I guess we got about 5 inches. They predicted 5 to 7. It's beautiful out here. I will say that. I do like it. It's about 17 degrees right now. It got down around 10 overnight, I guess. But boy, my glasses are so dark right now. I can't see the screen on the phone, so hopefully I'm getting good pictures. This is something. I think this is the most snow I've been out here to see, at least. It's really cool. And they've already come by, the township has already come by and scraped my gravel road out there. So they don't hesitate out here. But plenty of snow on the new house. And there's something I gotta show you. This was very disappointing. When I got out here yesterday, you can't see it now because it's buried under snow. But I drove up and I saw a piece of the metal roofing on the ground. And I walk up here to the house and I look. There's another piece over here by the sawhorses. And I'm like, what the hell is this? Right? And I look up on the roof, and the roof is still there. The gutter's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So, where did the roofing come from? See my trail. Ooh, it's cold. There's a little breeze going. Let's see here. Let's walk on around to the backside. Well, you can't really see, but I'll take you inside. There's some roofing missing there. Let me hold it up, see if you can see. Man, I can't believe it. Boys, looks so pretty out here though. Holy cow. I do like it. If it wasn't so cold. Okay, let's walk inside the house because it had just started to snow when I got here, so I didn't get to do anything to try to fix it. Wow, there's so much snow. This is really cool. All right, let's go in the house. Take a peek from inside there. Okay. Whew, cold. See the tarp I put on the floor to catch some of the snow. Well, a lot less got in here than I expected. I feel better about that. See that? 2 of the roof panels of the addition are missing. Now this is one thing that I paid somebody to do. You notice here, no leakage. Nothing coming down. But 2 of the roof panels are gone. That thin slate did a great job by itself. That's all that got in here. Good deal. Man, didn't get any snow anywhere else in here. But I cannot believe. So when I saw the panels out there, I looked. The guy had screwed in 2 screws in each panel on the very top. Never screwed down the panels. I couldn't believe it. Man. So now, Wednesday it's supposed to be 40 degrees. We're not getting any rain or anything until Wednesday. So Gary and I are coming out Wednesday. I'm going to take this tarp and pull over the top. I cut this tarp down in the barn yesterday to get something on the floor. Because like I said, it was already snowing. But we'll take the tarp and we'll put a tarp over it until I can get down to the company, get another couple roofing panels to fix it, and get up there and do it right. I mean, I just don't, it kills me. I'm 68 years old. I do not want to climb on roofs anymore. I'm done with that kind of stuff, if it makes sense to you. So I paid somebody who has roofing experience to come out and do that for me, to help him out. And that's what I run into. Man, it's crazy. But I guess we'll get up there and do it ourselves this time. Man, what are you going to do? When you can't pay somebody to do the job, it really sucks. I'll take you up here. Ooh, is it cold? I don't know if we can see. But yeah, you can see they came along and did the road, cleared it. But it wasn't bad at all. Everybody was freaking out with all the snow coming. It's like nothing. But it's cold. 17 degrees is too cold for me. So, I'll just hang out in my cabin, watch a little TV, work on the computer, and do some reading. Had a great live stream last night. Appreciate everybody in there. The suggestions on renaming the channel. I think I'm going to go with Homestead something. You know, some people have commented that they saw St. Bernard Acres, they expected to see dogs. Some people, they never associated the dogs with it. I don't know. But this is going to be my homestead. And I want the title to reflect something like I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to build my homestead. This will always be St. Bernard Acres. But it doesn't have to be in the title. The name of the channel. We'll see, whatever I figure out. But I hope y'all like this. I got to get back in, man. This is so cold. Remember to like, share, comment. Send me money to pay for a roof. I got to get a roof up here now. And get this shit figured out. But this is Joe out here at St. Bernard Acres. Peace out, everybody. I'm out.